Morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Now I'm working in Lebanon for 2 years.
Okay?
I know how to cook, taking care of the children, cleaning the house. It like this.
Okay. What is the nationality of your employer in Lebanon?
It's a Lebanese.
How many members in the family?
It's 4.
And how old are the children?
It's 2 and 5 years old.
Okay. And how long did you work in Lebanon?
It's 2 years.
Okay. And after that, do you have any working experience?
Yeah, in Dubai, but it's the same sponsor.
Okay. And why you decided not to continue your contract with them?
No, because my sponsor is finished already. That's why I go to the Philippines.
How much salary are you looking for?
It's okay, 2,000 dirham to 2,500 dirham.
Why you're asking this amount? Why do you think you deserve this amount?
Yeah, because my experience is 10 years already.
And what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
It's okay. It's better for me for babysitting, for taking care for baby. Whatever you want, I will do it.
And what type of food can you cook?
A pasta like this.
And then,
I will cook for you a Filipino food.
how do you know if the baby is sick?
I will check for the head or it's a fever or no.
And what are your hobbies?
We're going out.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
It depends for you. For how many years for you?
And why do you think you should be a good full-time housemaid to your new employer?
Yeah, because if you want, I want to be honest. It's a good working. Yeah, like this.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.